Welcome guys, how's it going? In this part, show you how to design precision mold casting for casting some parts like gear and some epaulette for a 3D printer. In first step, we're going to design a shell and mold package, and then going to print and make some parts. And the last part of this process going to melting aluminum. As you see, I use a steel profile for the shell of the mold and made some holes in the wall. I made holes in 2 sides of shell, but you can make holes in all 4 sides. Those holes, well, you to easily remove the contents of mold after casting process, and helping to increase the temperature of the system, easily remove your finally parts from plaster. After design the mold shell, I designed a capper for closing the bottom of mold. This cap is going to be printed with a flexible filament. Maybe TPU or Ninja Flex. I don't have any ideas for that. Also, this cap is a part of the reusable mold parts. I thinking maybe I choose TPU for this cap. This part are not important, just capper for mold, and help to closing the bottom of profile to prevent plaster leakage from mold until the plaster dry. And yeah.
It's like a family tree, part of you and part of me. And if we should separate...
For first test, guys, I wanted to casting a bone fake extruder gear with aluminum. And remember that just as the way a model is placed on the printer build plate is very important, and the same way model is placed and adjust in a plaster is also important, because we don't have the device to create a vacuum for the mold. In addition to the mold inlet, also consider an outlet at the highest point for the air trapped in the mold. Remember and also remember that the inlet and outlet ducts or mold channel or mold channels should both be considered at the highest point of the model. And finally, I designed bases on the main capper for the mold, so that the flow of the mold into mold is completely uniform, you know. And yeah. So guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video and channel topic, 3D printer, lift bars, CNC machine, and industrial process. If you enjoy, please make sure subscribe and activate the bell, sharing the videos with your friend. Thank you. See you soon.